Hi, I am Noha Alhams, and today I will be presenting my art studio Hidden Place. My vision for this hidden place is an art space that is fun and comfortable and a place where young people and artists can get inspired. These are some inspiration photos I observed and referred to while planning and designing my hidden place. I chose the photo on the top left for inspiration because it is a smart use of the space. The hidden place is built into an already existing space, making the best use of corners and nooks. I like the photo on the top right because it is an art studio hidden place, similar to my idea, except mine is unique in the way that it is a comfortable and fun art studio. The photo on the bottom left is a workspace hidden place with a desk and seating area. I used this photo for inspiration when I was trying to figure out how to design the desk in my art studio hidden place. I used the photo on the bottom right for inspiration since it's made out of wood, the same material I wanted to make my hidden place with. These are photos of the initial sketch and models I had created for my art space hidden place. I refined this design in order to come up with the most efficient use of space and the most aesthetic design for my hidden place. The first thing I had to refine was the tapered roof for a couple of reasons. First, the tapered roof made the small space feel even smaller. The second reason I had to refine the design with the tapered roof is because if someone's sitting on the slide deck, their head would hit the tapered roof. The second thing I refined about my design is the curtain-like entrance. I decided instead of having an open entrance to close it off a little more. This allows artists to have more privacy so they can focus better. It also allows them to have more control with the amount of light that enters the hidden place. Another thing I changed about this design is I moved the slide from the interior to the exterior. This way, the slide does not take the valuable interior space and it allows the slide to act as an exit way from the hidden place to the surrounding space. The last thing I decided to change about this design is originally I had planned to have a stool for the desk and a swing separate. Instead, I decided in order to maximize the use of space, I will just have a swing chair that acts as a desk chair and a swing. This is the exterior of my final model. Note the improvements that have been made to this model from the first model. The roof is flat, the slide is pointing towards the exterior, and the entrance is more closed off. This is the interior of the final model. As you can see, there is a swing chair, and there's a cabinet for art supply storage, and some walls in the interior have free space for a small easel or a place to hang art. This is the AutoCAD floor plan drawing of my art studio hidden place. These are the AutoCAD exterior elevation drawings. The one on the left is the exterior entrance wall. The one on the right is the exterior slide wall. These are the AutoCAD interior elevation drawings. The one on the left is the desk wall. The one on the right is the slide wall. This is what the design elements in the model and drawings would look like in a realistic view. This hidden place can be placed in a school, in a home, or even in the outdoors as long as it is attached to either a wall or in the ground for stability. This art studio is different than a traditional art studio because it is more comfy and fun. This hidden place is immovable because it is attached to a wall or in the ground of a specific location, whether that is in a school, home, or in the outdoors. This hidden place is tiny because it is only 8 feet by 8 feet by 8 feet, smaller than most rooms. This hidden place is dark yet warm because the entrance allows the right amount of light to enter the hidden place. The natural tones of the wooden walls gives the space warmth that makes the space feel more cozy and comfortable. This space is laid back because it's not like a traditional art studio where you're sitting on a desk or standing in front of an easel. This space is more relaxed and playful. This space is hidden because it provides a secluded place for artists and it is found in a specific location in another space. This place will smell either like candles, art supplies, or even the scent of the natural wood from the walls. This place requires a ritual to enter and exit because the entrance is an opening in the front wall. People can exit this place either by going through the same opening as the entrance or through the slide pointing to the exterior of the hidden place. Thank you! I hope to see you in my art studio hidden place.